In this video I'm going to show you how to build and hang such a shelves in very simple way, step by step, so let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Simon and on this channel I like to build different things. So if it is something that you would enjoy to see more of, you feel free to subscribe to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how I built these shelves. Very simple. And I will also show you a very simple way how to hang them step by step. So if you are ever in need of hanging such a shelves, or actually basically whatever shelves, you can use this guide to do it on your own. So I started this project with this plate. I measured and cut it up this plate to 6 smaller plates that would have the same length. In this case, I prefer to use a track saw. When I'm usually using a track saw, I prefer to put the track down on the measurement on the line that I draw, and then I like to put a clamp on the track so the clamp is not moving away from my measurement. I'm using random orbital sander to sand down all the surfaces of the boards that I have previously cut it up. To give this wood a little bit of shine and spark and also protection for the future, I have given it a coat of wood oil. To apply it on the surface of the board, I simply use an old cloth that I dip into the oil and then I just put it all over the plate, and that will give me a good enough results. Here you can see how beautiful it looks when it has that bit of oil. Before assembling the shelf, I take the shelf and see which side of the plate is nicer, and I put the nicer side of the plate downwards. Then I measure up where I will attach the L brackets, and I will put the marks on there, and then I will attach the L bracket on the shelf. And small tip for you, before you are screwing the screws into the plate, check the length of the screw so that the length of the screw is not longer than the thickness of the wood, because then you would see the screw popping out of the other side and that will not be the prettiest. Then I marked up and drilled 6 holes into the wall. It is a good idea to use a vacuum cleaner while you are drilling so your room is not filled with dust. If you have a brick wall, you need to use a plastic plugs before you screw the screws in, because those plastic plugs will help you to hold the weight of shelf in it. If you have a wooden wall or something else, you need to do a different thing, but in this case, use the plastic plugs. And then the obvious last step is to attach the shelves on the wall with the screws. Hey, tell me what you think about it, and let me know down below in the comment section. And also, if you really liked it, feel free to give me a like. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.